So hi friend, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I have already provided update related to Deloitte NLA hiring. Now in this video, I will talk about in detail how to apply for this important hiring. Make sure to watch this completely before applying to this job because in my YouTube channel and WhatsApp also lots of comment I got related to the registration. Many of the students got stuck whether they should give gap in career education or not, resume कैसा होना चाहिए एंड ऑल अदर डिटेल्स. सो मैं डिटेल में बात करूँगा किस तरह से अप्लाई करना होगा. So I will provide job link in the description. From where just click here to register. Remember, this is the important hiring for BE, BTech, BCom, BCA, MCA and BSc. So you should apply and last date is Jan 19 2026 11:59 तक accepted है. तो उसके पहले ही आप लोग अप्लाई कर दीजिएगा. So when you will click here, then you will redirected to a new page, which will be this page actually. Deloitte NLA. So hiring. Okay. So after that, just click here and see all the detail. Now this is the important part. If you are from engineering background, then you have to click engineering. If you are from BCA, BSc, then undergraduate science you have to select, as well as if you are from other course, then you have to select undergraduate commerce and aligned course. Since you are most of the student from engineering background, so you have to select engineering. And this is the recruitment process. सबसे पहले आप लोग का registration होगा, and if you will not do registration, then you will not considered for further hiring. You know very well. And this is the important part, that is shortlisting. So if you haven't gone through our video related to the how to prepare the resume, then I will suggest go to our YouTube channel. So you can see this video almost 1700 students have already watched, and there I have provided free resume sample. So you should apply this. Okay, means you should watch this video before applying this. Make sure to prepare your resume very well, क्योंकि अगर आप resume ही अच्छे से नहीं बनाइएगा, then you will be not listed for further consideration. So be careful. So after that, just I will click here engineering, and here you have to go through all the details. So they have clearly mentioned you should have minimum 6 CGPA, minimum 60%, and accordingly आपका CGPA. So Macaut में almost 6.5 CGPA जिनका है, they can apply. And already all detail they have mentioned that who are eligible for this. BTech all branches are eligible, so you should apply and you will get 4 lakh. Okay, so 4 lakh इसमें है and registration are open, you can apply. So after that just click here apply now. So जैसे ही apply कीजिएगा, then some important detail they have mentioned that in the registration form photo field, click on use camera, allow access to camera if asked by the browser pop-up. Please प्लेस योर फेस क्लियरली इन द फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा, एंड उसके बाद आपको करना है. ओके, सो इसमें आपको क्या करना है, यूज कैमरा. दे हैव क्लियरली मेंशन यूज कैमरा, ओके, इन द रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म फोटो फील्ड. So this is important thing they have said. If the photo is not fine, click on the cross mark and repeat steps. So you have to basically use your camera. Don't upload the photo, or if you are uploading photo, then make sure that uploaded photo is very clear. After that, you have to just click on I agree declaration, and these are the detail you have to fill. So first name you have to give. So I am filling with you. Okay, you can fill. You can follow me. So Ram, I am filling. If you have middle name, you can give. Otherwise, you can leave that. Then last name. If you have any preferred first name, then you can give. Then email address. So I am giving my email address. Then alternative email address. If you have any alternative email address, then you can give other, and it is mandatory to give this. Okay, make sure that it should be correct because you will receive all communication here. Okay, so make sure to check this. Then mobile number, so you have to give valid mobile number, and don't try this is a wrong number. Okay, so I'm just giving a sample, that's why I'm showing you. So I'm giving just a wrong number, but you should give correct number. Okay, alternate mobile number if you have, you can give. Then date of birth you should mention properly. So again, make sure to give this detail according to your class 10th document. Okay, and it should be clear, male, female. Then present address, give all the detail very carefully. So I'm giving present address as Kolkata. Setting, the city as Kolkata. Then state, so from which state you are belonging to, and country obvious India because only Indian students are eligible. Then education type, undergraduate or postgraduate. So since it's from BTech, so undergraduate. And then degree you have to choose. So there are various degree are there. So if you are from BTech, then you have to choose BTech, or other you can choose. So Bachelor of Technology or BTech. Then college you have to choose. Okay, so let me check whether my college name is there or not, and if it is not, then you can select other. Okay, no need to worry about that. There are multiple options are there, so you have to search this. Yeah, it is showing Academy of Technology Hooghly. Then branch you have to select. So I am from computer science, so I am choosing that. Reference I have already passed out, but I have just given you a sample. Okay, so year of starting means कब आप course start किए हैं. So I am giving 2022 considering 2026 pass out. Then year of passing 2026. CGPA you have to mention. So what is your CGPA? And if you want, you can mention your percentage. So I am mentioning CGPA. So CGPA out of 10. So I've given then university roll number, and these detail you have to fill very carefully. Your university registration number, and this will be basically validated during the onboarding and other further process. Do you have any gap in education? So if you have, you can select I don't have any gap, so I have clicked no gap या less than 1 academic year. Remember you have to give all the detail भाई. अगर आपके पास गैप है तो गैप देना होगा, बिकॉज फर्दर आपका चेक होगा. ओके, so don't say that I will give wrong detail and I will be selected. Do you have any standing backlog? So you should select no. Okay, you can select yes, but I will suggest that you should select no whether you have backlog or not, because further आप लोग को अगर शॉर्ट लिस्ट ही नहीं होंगे then it is of no use. Have you appeared for assessment previously? No. Do you have any offer in hand? Of course you have to select no. अगर आपको पास ऑफर भी है तो भी नो ही सेलेक्ट करना है. ओके, सो दैट यू आर एलिजिबल टू अदर. आर यू ओपन टू इंटर्नशिप? सो मस्ट सेलेक्ट यस. देन पॉसिबल स्टार्ट डेट. सो आप कोई भी स्टार्ट डेट दे सकते हैं. सपोज मकाउट का एग्जाम अप्रोक्स जून में ख़त्म हो जाएगा, तो आई एम चूजिंग 1 जुलाई. पॉसिबल एंड डेट, सो यू कैन गिव एनीथिंग्स, मीन्स कब तक आप करना चाहते हैं. या सो आर यू ओपन टू इंटर्नशिप? यू कैन सेलेक्ट. आर यू इंडियन सिटीजन? Select yes. Do you have any existing offer from Deloitte or related entity? You have to select no. Then do you have any work experience? If you have, you can select yes, otherwise no. Then Deloitte alumni, are you a former employee of Deloitte? No. Professional certification, if you have any professional certification, then you can choose yes, and you can choose this certificate name if you have. If you don't have, no need to worry, because this is fresher hiring. Just click here no. Additional certification, if you have, you can select yes, otherwise no. So this is fresher and this don't have any certification, so I have selected no. Faculty in charge, so you have to give the faculty name. Again saying friend, this is not the correct name, I am just giving. And if you are Ankit, then don't mind it. Okay, faculty email ID, again I am giving some random mail. Let me give my no, give some other mail. I am randomly giving any mail. Okay, फैकल्टी कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर. सो दिस इज नॉट मैंडेटरी, इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन गिव. सो फैकल्टी में जो भी आपका प्लेसमेंट ऑफिसर है उनका नेम इंचार्ज उनका दे दीजिएगा नंबर. ओके, बिकॉज अगर आपका सिलेक्शन हुआ तो उन्हीं के पास मेल आएगा. आर यू PWD कैंडिडेट? इफ यस, सिलेक्ट यस, अदरवाइज नो. देन अटैचमेंट, देन यू कैन यूज हेयर कैमरा और यू कैन चूज फाइल. so anything you can choose and this is mandatory. Then resume you have to choose. So resume भाई आपको कैसे बनाना है, if you don't know just go and watch our video. This I have already made a detailed video and I have provided free sample. So you should have a valid resume, otherwise you will be directly rejected. So be careful and must go through this video, that will be really helpful for you. So I have created just sample resume. I am giving you resume. So yeah, I have uploaded resume. Then choose any file, then choose your photo. Now I have given the photo. Yeah, already uploaded. If you don't have any proper photo, then you have to basically click over here. Means you have to select camera. I agree means I am just re-verifying all the detail. Okay, name, all things I have done. Remember friend, I have given wrong mail ID and mobile number, so make sure to give the correct number. Okay, address I have given, and all thing coursework you have given. Make sure to cross check all that things, because if you have any error in this, then you will be directly rejected. So be careful. I have selected all the detail and after that I'm just clicking submit. So some responses are missing or invalid, please review this. Add 10th education profile and 12th education profile. So this is the mandatory things you have to mention. So I am adding add class 10th. So 10th I am just giving random year. Okay, 10th I have done actually from CBSE, so I am choosing CBSE. Year of passing. Year of passing means 19 percentage. So this is actually my real percentage. Then add more. I am adding class 12th detail. Board. So year of passing 2021. So accordingly they will also calculate the CGPA. I've given all the detail. Now just re-verify it, okay? And you have to give add this education detail too. Okay, so I've given all the detail. Now just click here submit. So when you will click submit, then your form will be submitted. Before that you will get a verification code. Okay, so make sure to give the verification code properly, and the mail which you have provided there you will receive. This is the OTP I'm receiving. So just I'm copying and pasting the verification code. Now click on verify. So when you will click on verify, then detail will come that review all the detail. So I am showing all the detail. Now confirm and submit. So after confirm and final submit, no any changes will be allowed. So be careful and must provide all the detail carefully. Okay, so in this way your resume will be basically means you will apply for Deloitte registration. So your registration is successful, complete. We will send further update on your registered email ID regard Deloitte recruitment team. So this is a complete step-by-step process. And again saying, if you want to know the exam pattern, how to crack the Deloitte complete guide, you can go through this video. And for resume, this video you can refer. And I regularly post job update in this channel, so make sure to subscribe us so that you will not miss any update. If you still facing any issue, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.